And the shorts is actually until here, so it's like a short. Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to try on and review this product. And so I ordered from the website called Shapermint. So this is the package of Shapermint, and at first I bought only one because they have the Labor Day sale, I guess, and it was like 50% off, so I was like, oh, okay, why not try it. And I know that when I put on a lot of weight for the last 12 months, it's been hard for me to actually like wear a body contrast, because of course we have this thing that we couldn't hide. So I bought I forgot what I bought, but it's actually like a boy shorts. And yeah, so I'm excited to try it on. I really wanted to see whether the claims are true. So yeah, so let's open it. So I'm wearing this dress. This dress is like 3 years old or 4 years old, something like that. And until now it actually fits. Even though I put on weight, it fits at the top. But I will show you later the bottom part, you know, like the bottom part. Maybe you could see it in the thumbnail, but the tummy part is really my problem. So I wore this white because I really wanted to show you guys that, you know, like it is really like bad in here, like bulging or something. So let's open it. If the sizing was accurate, then this would fit me, but we'll see. So this is how it looks like. I bought two, so I have one black and one nude. So black and nude, so there's two. They're both size small. I'm 135.2, so we'll see if this will fit me. What more is in the bag, in this bag? So you have the receipt, and you have this, like, I don't know, catalog something. So it's like in a Ziploc. This is the model Impetua. This is the Impetua. Oh, it's right here. Impetua. So it says, rule your destiny all day, every day, high-waisted shaper boy shorts. So I wanted the boy shorts because I want the inner thighs to actually kind of get compressed. It looks like this. It's pretty stretchy right there. So okay, it's like this. And the other one is like the nude. I think it's like really a nude. It's really like super nude-ish. It's almost like a yellowish nude, not a brownish nude. It's like a yellowish nude. So it doesn't really match my skin tone, but almost, so it's fine. So it's the same. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see. So it has like, I don't know what this called. It's like I think maybe this is something that will prevent it from rolling down. It's size small. It's 90% nylon and it's 10% spandex. So, and they're of course made in China. So it's pretty stretchy. I feel like this could be comfortable. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my body right now, like the situation of my whole body, and then I will show you the before and after. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is the situation right there. Like right here, I'm really bulgy right here on the side, and on here too. See, like it doesn't, I look like a 4-month pregnant lady right there. See? Okay, so now we're gonna put it on. So I'm putting it on, and wow, it's not hard to put it on actually. And the shorts is actually until here, so it's like a short. Yeah. So this is the after. So I can see that it's not too big anymore over here, and I don't see my bulge here, but the front is still big. It didn't really push it in. It didn't really push in my tummy. It's still, you know, big. But it didn't really flatten the front part. But the side part, it managed to actually like shrink in, like kind of push into the middle. So yeah, I feel like this like glue elastic thing over here is kind of like sticking into your skin so it doesn't roll down. And I think this could actually be comfortable even though you're wearing like your jeans. So here you go. So I want to do with another outfit with a black shapewear, so you can see like right here, see, I have this thing going on here, and I'm not sucking in here and right here. So now let's put on the shapewear. So the shapewear is on, and over here it kind of smoothed out. It's the same as the other one. It's not bulgy here. It's smooth over here, but here it kind of tucked my tummy a little bit, but there's more. Maybe I'm just bloated right now because I'm in my period. But yeah, so that's the situation with the shapewear. So that's my tummy with the shapewear right there. The shapewear is actually comfortable. I could breathe, and I don't have to suck in my tummy, you know, and I still look okay. There. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Overall, it's not bad, but it's not the best either, because, you know, I still have my tummy, and I know that the side was able to actually kind of hide a little bit because the side was actually kind of shrinking a little bit, kind of gave me a little bit of a form on the waist part. But on the tummy part, you can't really prevent your tummy from bulging out still. I like the side part. Overall, 1 to 10, I think I would give it a 7, because it's comfort, it's comfortable than other shapewear, and it smoothen your body. It's like your shape, but it doesn't really give you a flat tummy. I mean, we kind of assume that it will actually kind of push in the tummy, but it didn't. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it. That's all I can say about the shapewear. I'm gonna keep them because, you know, like maybe if I have to lose a little bit of weight, then yeah, it would manage to actually shrink in my tummy. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys are updated every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys in my next product review or my next video. See ya, bye!